Let's get started with a big question, Amar.
Yeah.
What is exactly KodeFast in human language?
Yeah, all right. I mean, see, the KodeFast is nothing but a no-code platform where you can actually build applications without having a zero knowledge
I
actually.
remember that client who built an HR application without involving a HR team.
Yeah. So I must tell you, I mean, there are so many stories that I want to really unravel here. Do you remember this one?
Oh, how I can forget this one? This is our washroom strategy that for that client they asked to build a dashboard and we was not having the dashboard and we created in that
Yes. So
washroom. Yeah.
actually, like we go to the clients, we ensure that we talk, we strategize. Even it's a restroom or the lounge, wherever we don't find a difference, but we strategize there. Oh, is it like coffee with someone, etc.?
Same,
Okay, yeah,
same.
sure. We'll do that.
Hardest feature to build.
Yeah, connector API. Because you know what? Hello, everyone. Welcome again to yet another podcast where we bring the behind scenes of KodeFast, a no-code platform where you can transform your business idea into the app.
And yes, it's just two of us today. Amar, a technical head who lives and breathes API, and me, Murtaza, an application development solution manager who makes sure that whatever the features Amar is building, it not just developers understand.
Yeah, I know I'm guilty for that.
Okay.
But don't worry. Today it's a simple, insightful discussion that we're going to take it so that people have a better understanding what we do behind the scenes.
Okay, let's get started with a big question, Amar.
Yeah.
What is exactly KodeFast in human language?
Yeah, all right. I mean, see, the KodeFast is nothing but a no-code platform where you can actually build applications without having a zero knowledge of coding. Okay, so where you can actually build not only the apps, the workflows, the dashboards, automations, everything you can do just without any knowledge of the coding. Okay.
So, you
Yeah.
mean to say it's the Lego for business applications where I keep all the blocks, workflows, connectors, snap it together, and tada, our application is ready, right?
Yes. I mean, see, exactly what you said that, but you know, the idea behind is that we are simply tired seeing the teams waiting for a long times to evolve with a solution that the customers are often asking. So we thought we create a platform, okay? So where the customer need not have to wait a long time and they can implement the business.
Yeah, and I was also tired of explaining the same requirements to the same developers again and again.
Yeah, so I basically tell for the customers who brought the KodeFast as a license holder, I would say, please mind your business. We'll take the rest.
Yeah,
Okay?
correct.
So that's simple. I mean, see, we think that we wanted to spoon feed the people who are using it to a level that they can simply play around. As you
Yeah.
said, the Lego.
Yes.
Yeah.
And people always ask me, how does the platform even work? Then I look at you, Amma.
Yeah, okay. It's simple, okay? Imagine you wanted to connect a CRM and let's say WhatsApp. Simple. I'm just talking very normal things and a billing application. So what happens is like when you wanted to do it, you can do it automatically with API OAuth. What happens is we already pre-configure that, and then it works very smooth. That means with the connector app. That's one of the best features that I always advocate to people about the KodeFast is the connector app enables all the third-party applications integrations.
Okay.
So as I was telling, with the CRM, you can use WhatsApp. Okay, you can use any telephony service to integrate with that.
Great.
So there's endless opportunities, Murtaza.
So basically, you are telling like you do the thinking and KodeFast does the coding, right?
Honestly, yeah, I think what I always think that your team app developers are real heroes, man, because I know understanding the client's vision because they're very unpredicted, but you simplify them and bring onto the table that eases for us for the developer and to deliver the product.
Finally, have been waiting to hear it for that years.
Yeah, so seriously, I know. I see when we do contradict a lot of things, but we complement when it comes to delivery of the product to the
Yes,
client, right?
exactly.
That's one of the things that I really, really feel empowered with our teams.
Yeah, and when we need developers, then developers like you will step in and resolve our issues or build anything like in advanced approvals or resolves optimize the performance and all those things,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. With no code platform, I must tell you honestly, we stopped firefighting. You know,
Yes, yes,
what we are doing right now is we left it to you. You will do all the configurations and give it to you, and the customers also will be empowered. Now,
correct,
for us, it is simply we started or working for a long time about innovations. What we
yes,
put onto the code fast.
correct,
So again and again, you can see seasonally you put a lot of features, you get releases.
correct.
Okay, so I mean, like, let's move on to the segment
I
actually.
remember that client who built an HR application without involving a HR team.
Yeah, yeah. So I must tell you, I mean, there are so many stories that I want to really unravel here. Remember, Murtaza, actually, I don't have to challenge you with your memory. I know you have a very eidetic
Mm-hmm.
memory. But having been said that, I just wanted for our viewers
Mm-hmm.
that some of the beautiful stories we had, right?
Yep.
So this is a surprise coming for you.
Mm-hmm.
And I would tell you one thing very, very clearly.
Mm-hmm.
You just need to remember, recollect what has happened when we went to
Okay.
the client.
Okay.
If you see this one,
Oh. Oh, that Fab City one, right? That client was very excited when we are showing that process, how we have automated the process from raw materials, then production, then it is going to
exactly.
QC, then shipping, all those things we have just showed it.
Yeah, as I was saying, I know you're minding their business,
Mm-hmm.
but I had a fun fact there.
Uh-huh.
I was really seeing daily you're sitting with your laptop and
Mm-hmm.
all these things. There, I saw you that industrial head helmet is there. No, you walked into the workshop and you
Yes.
really show on live how can you solve their real life problems
Yeah.
by just dragging and drop showing the. And I really don't forget their excitement of factor.
That was priceless.
Yeah. Do you remember this one?
Oh, how I can forget this one? This is our washroom strategy that for that client they asked to build a dashboard and we was not having the dashboard and we created in that
Yes, yes. So
washroom. Yeah.
actually, like in the historic things, you have the Boston Tea Party.
Mhm.
So the Boston Tea Party talks about something. So here we call it as the strategy called washroom strategy. When we go to the clients, we ensure that we talk, we strategize. Even it's a restroom or the lounge, wherever we don't find a difference, but we strategize there.
Yeah.
But I think the best part of that washroom party is
Yes,
like
I still
the
remember
sales
this.
guy was really anxious about this
Yes,
meeting. What's
yes.
going to happen? What's going to happen?
Uh,
Then he asked about, do you have the report? Can we do that report? See, reporting needs a development. We all think
yes,
traditionally,
correct.
but you did it with just simple clicks, man. I must tell
Yes,
you.
yes.
Leave it on the client. He's already almost is really engaged with us.
But
But the excitement I've seen within our sales team, that is amazing.
that day was also surprised how we did this. How come it is possible to create a report in this like just 1-2 minutes or 3-4 minutes? How it is possible?
Yes, so that is the power of no code and also the connector. So
Mm-hmm.
see, basically, see if you want to connect the third party, it
Mm-hmm.
is there,
Mm-hmm.
and you want to automate
Mm-hmm.
the system automations, automatic workflows is there.
Mm-hmm.
So everything all were put in one big thing. So
Correct.
it looks like small
Yes.
application, but doesn't. It has a
Yep.
lot of things, hidden
Yep.
things.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, one more thing is our
Uh-huh.
what do you call it, launch thing.
Oh, like this was the moment you captured when I was working. Like this was for that Belgium client for that oil company, right? Like
Yes,
that
yes, yes,
manufacturing of that oil.
yes,
Yes,
correct.
yes, I remember that.
So I think that time we were just entering into the IoT.
Mhm. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So what we did, you remember that palletization?
Yeah, that they want a shop floor management where wherever the stocks they are keeping, they're not remembering. So we started with okay, we'll do a palletization, we'll do a racking, and we'll see what are the locations they have. So we
Yeah.
did according to that.
And
Yeah.
I remember those boots. You want to take it. It's a long boots, but you
Yes,
walked
yes.
with them. You
Correct.
understood because that is one thing. In boardroom or
Yes.
everywhere we'll do it, but we ensure we understand the real world problems
Correct.
and
Correct.
because you know what,
Mhm.
CodeFast enables to do the quick implementation. So
Yes.
we are also not minding anything other than understanding and solving the customer problems.
Yes.
And to put you in perspective, I went to this one like Zytex
Mm-hmm.
for portraying a code fast.
Mm-hmm.
I remember the mayor from
Mm-hmm.
UK.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, when he came to us,
Mm-hmm.
okay, So when I was explaining, he was really excited about the combination of no code in conjunction with AI.
Yes, yes. I missed that, like, because of some of my plans, but still, if I
Yeah,
can make it, means like,
yeah.
let next time we'll make it.
Sure, sure. I want to tell you one thing, okay? So, whenever you talk about a no-code platform, it imperative that you think that you have to do some paperwork and
Correct.
do that, and you jot it down and see the data flow and all those things. You know what? With implementation of AI, we make it as simple as just giving a prompt. Give it a prompt, and KodeFast will ensure a skeleton product ready for you for the day
Yes,
one
yes.
with a sample data if you ask for.
Correct. So, as you are showing some of the memories,
Yep.
I also bought one for you.
Okay.
Let me show you that
Yeah, I'm
one.
not good as because I always rely on
So,
KodeFast and AI.
have you remembered this pic?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I'll explain what happened here. Okay. So I was taking a status of my developer. I visit there and I said, okay, instead of taking it on Teams, I thought I'll take it like just will interact with each other. And suddenly, might be the client came in or they gave a requirement. What happened? I don't know. But suddenly, this person came in, steps in, and they
I hijacked your team.
Yeah, he hijacked my meeting.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, still I remember that day.
Yeah, but you know what? Like that time, the client came with a lot of university. He came to our office.
Yeah.
So
And then
I have to really barge in. But I must tell you, we complimented that day, and that was a very very successful meeting, and we tracked it down, right?
Yes. Amar, did you remember this one?
Oh yes. We went to that hospital.
I'll,
That's a very big one, right?
I'll tell you the story behind it. So for preparing the application for him, like he just not required KodeFast. He want Emma, he want eSign. So I kept all the members. I'll just pull in all the members from all the segments, and I kept like 6 to 7 people. Because what they want, he want KodeFast, they want whole HIS system, plus they want to integrate it with Emma so that they will be voice calling. They don't want to take like they don't want to bring all the telecallers. They want Emma to take care, and again they want signing also, because patients we have to they do the signing, right?
Exactly.
So this is the very big project we did, and this was the very big achievement for
the
us.
challenge with this was we need to in complying with the privacy of the customer. So I mean, so the patients, the HIS, so healthcare system.
Yeah.
So I think that is one area that I've seen that two parties like we come into an agreement, and the not only the inventory that they have, the stockpiling they have, the staff management they have, and remember we introduced biometrics there for the staff.
Yes.
How many times in and out,
In
so
and
that
out.
ensure that how much the work they're doing,
Correct.
because that improves the productivity of the hospital.
And that what the thing they like most is the geofencing. They can do login after coming into the office only.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So
that was the fun.
geofencing is one thing that it enables the business owners about the productivity and ensure that the payroll is being how what you work and what you get.
Yes.
It's very important. So we enable those businesses with a transparent system, right?
Yes.
So that journey is impeccable. I want to say that.
Yes.
But I must say, we have this product called eSigns, right? So there, what happens is like with KodeFast in place, not only the medical domain, there will be a contractual obligation application, the construction module, the hoteliers. So there are a lot of agreements, consignment. So we can do the digital signature.
Correct.
Like as I was saying again and again, the digital signature would be something which ensures not only the data is embedded or buried in the documents, but we store this document in database.
Yes.
Okay, that is a phenomenal thing because it enables the business to reuse this data for other purposes.
Yes. And have you remembered that movement from the client, like when we have showed everything and when we are started showing the dashboard, we are showing the analytics, see how the punch in and punch outs are coming, how the people applying for leaves.
As I was mentioning, it's a part of the transparency that we bring on to the business.
Yes, and there was
at KodeFast that we do with ease and fastness.
Yep, correct.
And we will not skip the accuracy. So that is our strongest forte, I must tell you.
Correct.
So I mean, there are a lot of things as there actually. So I mean, we can almost we cover the whole day. It's not possible.
Correct. So rapid fire time. Okay. First answer that comes into your mind.
Okay.
Anything first which will come in your mind, you have to tell me. Okay.
Oh, is it like coffee with someone, etc.
Some same,
Okay, yeah,
same,
sure,
same,
we'll do
same.
that.
No code in one word.
Freedom.
Correct.
What's yours?
Speed. Of course.
Excited to know about that. Okay, what's next?
Hardest feature to build.
Yeah, connector API. Because you know what? It involves a lot of things, but we simplified it. And what about yours?
RBAC, role based access control.
Is it tough for you?
It's not tough. It's very lengthy. Like let's say if in one application I'm having 10 different users, means for each user I have to define menus, all those things AI is doing, but still I have to think, okay, what is that role is doing? I have to
Have
give
you
the
simplified
permissions.
your work at the end?
Yeah, it is simplified, but still it looks somewhat
Okay.
challenging for me. But
Okay, let's see.
let's see.
What one thing user builds that surprises you?
Full ERPs without coding.
Is it?
Yes, they have built a lot of applications. Like I was telling, like that HRMS application,
Okay.
and all those HAS systems. They have built many. Okay,
Oh.
what yours?
Oh, that one. I sometimes, I know CodeFast is my baby, but I don't know the greatness of that we built. That some customer, we just given the login and understood, given the small things that they have really built a mini e-commerce project overnight.
Oh my God, I know that one. I know.
The
I know.
competitors feel very panicking about
Yes,
that.
yes, I know that client.
Yeah, so I think so this is really fun, right? Thanks to joining us. This is really exciting.
Yeah, and we think we gave you a clear but little entertaining peek behind the skins.
Correct. Yes.
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 Okay.
Build fast, build smart, build with code fast.
See you again.